Hello, my dear friends and students of class 5. Today's lesson is fraction from exercise 5.6 of class 5 math textbook, page number 89. Page number 89. We are going to learn how to multiply from question number 1 to question number 1 to question number H. And if we have the time, we also do this multiply in the next video. Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel ASER tutorial, and congratulations to you. You are here for the first time. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much. र म यो स्टार्ट गर्दैछु है क्वेसन नम्बर 1 बाट। म यहाँ क्वेसन सारिहालेँ। हाम्रो क्वेसनमा के छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो। यो नम्बर फ्र्याक्सन नम्बर भयो, अनि यो चाहिँ के भयो, होल नम्बर भयो। बुझेन, होल नम्बर भयो। अब म क्वेसन सार्दैछु। 2 क्वेसन नम्बर 1 को 1 हो ए 2/5 इन्टु 4। ल यसलाई अब हामीले कसरी मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने हामी सिक्दैछौँ। ल हामीलाई जहिले पनि याद हुनु पर्यो होल नम्बरको चाहिँ डिनोमिनेटर देखिँदैन, तर त्यसको डिनोमिनेटर 1 हुन्छ। आफै लेख्नुपर्छ हो। जुनै पनि एउटा नम्बर हुन्छ सिङ्गल देखिन्छ, त्यसको मुनि डिनोमिनेटर 1 हुन्छ, त्यो आफै लेख्नुपर्छ। त्यसको बादमा यहाँ हाम्रो के छ, क्रस साइन छ मल्टिप्लाईको। अब त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले कसरी लेख्नु पर्यो, 2 इन्टु 4 लेख्नु पर्यो। तर बुझ्यो होइन, यहाँ छ डिनोमिनेटरमा 5 इन्टु 1 भयो, किनभने डिनोमिनेटरसँग डिनोमिनेटर, न्युमेरेटरसँग न्युमेरेटर यस्तो प्रकारले हामीले मिलाउनु पर्छ। जोड्नुभन्दा पनि धेरै सजिलो छ मल्टिप्लाई। कुरा बुझेन, फ्र्याक्सनमा आउँदै सजिलो छ नानी हो। वेलकम टु एस्टर ट्युटोरियल। 2 8 ज 2 4 ज 8 5 1 ज 5। सो इजी है, जसले पनि सक्छ। अब नम्बर बी को 7/11 इन्टु 3। हामीलाई याद भएको कुरा के हो, वी नो द्याट डिनोमिनेटर इज 1. So fraction became 7/11 and 3/1. So we can easily multiply 7 into 3 and 11 into 1. Do you know the multiplication of 7?
Yes, sir.
7 3 is 21 and 11 1 is 11. So easy answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number C. बुझेन भनेदेखि तपाईँले रिपिट गरी हेर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। बुझ्नु भएन, पज गर्नुहोस् अनि फेरि हेर्नुहोस्। दिस इज होल नम्बर। यु क्यान इजिली वी नो द्याट डिनोमिनेटर इज 1. Then we can easily multiply. We write as 8 into 5 and 9 into 1. The answer will be 8 5 is 40. 8 5 is 40 and 9 1 is 9. Do you know the table of 8?
Yes, sir.
Why not? No? You know the table of 8. So it is very compulsory for student to learn the table up to multiplication table up to 12. Okay?
Sir.
So we are going to the next number, that is
D.
Question number C. And now D. Question number D के छ, 2/9. Okay, 2/9 and we know that denominator is 1. This is our duty to write denominator by self. Okay, and we can easily write 2 into 10 and 9 into 1. Multiplication of fraction is very easy. Then the numerator will be by multiplying these 2 and 10. 2 10s are 20 and 9 1s are 9. We get numerator by multiplying 9 and 1. That is 9 1s are 9. Answer is 20/9. So easy. Now question number 11. 3 by 10 into 5. We know that numerator of 5 is 5
Yes,
and
sir.
denominator is 1. So we can easily multiply that 3
Right, sir.
into 5 and 10 into 1.
Sir.
One thing, new thing, but very important is that we should not forget to reduce the number.
Yes,
here.
sir.
Okay. So once again we write 5 can divide both 10 and 5.
Yes, sir.
That is, we cut both the number, that is 5. 1 is 5. We should not write 1 here because looking like 51. So we write at the top of the number we are cutting. हामीले जुन नम्बर काट्दैछ त्यसको माथिबाट लेख्नुपर्छ ल नम्बर.
Yes, sir.
The 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Okay. We should not write number here because number becomes 102. That will be wrong. So number became, we can multiply
3 1 the
3 into 5 is not no more. Okay.
Yes, sir.
3 1 the
3
3, then 2 1 the
2.
2 because 10 is no longer, we got 10 and number became 2.
Yes, sir.
New number is 2. So we multiply 2 into 1, 2 1 the 2. Answer is 3 by 2.
Sir.
Okay. Now we are going to solve question number F. Question number F. The number is, fraction is 5 by 12 into 6. So we know that denominator is 1. And again we write as 5 into 6 and 12 into 1. I have already told that we should not forget to reduce the reducible fractions like 6 by 12. We can reduce both the number and two numbers are divisible by 6. Okay?
Yes, sir.
6 can divide both the number, that is 6 and 12. 6 1 is 6 and 6 2 is 12. So the new number became 5 and 1 and 2 and 1. So 5 into 1 means 5 1 is 5. 5 1 is 5. And 2 into 1, 2 1 is 2. Answer is 5 by 2. So easy. Wow. And the another question is that we have done up to the number F. The next number is G. Okay. What is the number in G? Now the question is E. F. E and F is done. Now G. G. Let us try G. What is the number? 3 by 4 and 6. So we can write 1 as denominator or 6. And the new fraction became 3 by 4 and 6 by 1. So let us do. We should not forget. We write these fraction as 3 into 6 and 4 into 1. I already told you that we should not forget to reduce the number 6 and 4. 6 and 4 is divisible. These both number are divisible by 2. So 2 3 is 6 and 2 2 is 4. Right? The new number is 3 into 3, 9 and 2 1 is 2, 9 by 2 is correct answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So let us try the next number, that is H. What is the number in H?
11
11 by
16
6 into 6.
16
So we write
16.
11 by 16 and we write 1 as denominator.
Yes, sir.
Then the fraction became 11 by 16 and 6 by 1. We write this fraction as 11 into 6 and 16 into 1.
1.
How can we reduce the number? Which number can divide both the number? 2 can divide. 2 can obviously divide. 2 3 is 6 and 2 8 is 16. The two new number became 11 into 3, 33 and 8 into 1, 8. Answer is 33 by 8. Congratulations to you. And we have now today finished from question number A to H. Question number A to H. That is from here to, that is from question number A to H. So I am going to give you the homework for you also. Hello, my name is Agam Rai. Producer of ASER tutorial, here is the homework for you. Please don't mind. Homework for you from question number A to question number N. More than the question given in the textbook. So this will make you perfect in multiplying fraction. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.